Let's see the differences between operating lease and finance lease. First, let's see the features of operating lease. It involves the transfer of asset on a short-term basis from lessor to lessee. Here the risk and rewards remain with the lessor and repairs and maintenance expenses are also borne by the lessor. In respect of accounting treatment, in the books of lessee, rental expenses are charged to PL account. He does not record any asset and liability in his books. This is mainly used in case of assets like computers, vehicles, etc. Now let's see the features of finance lease, also known as capital lease. It involves the transfer of asset on a long-term basis from lessor to lessee, which involves the full economic life of an asset. Here the risk and rewards are transferred to lessee. Repairs and maintenance expenses are also borne by the lessee. In respect of accounting treatment, in the books of lessee, right to use the asset and lease liability is recorded. Depreciation is charged on the asset. This is mainly used in case of capital asset like plant equipment, machinery, etc. For complete JAIB and CIB preparation, subscribe Divya Career.